Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine and you have done the chapter. You have read the chapter which we had discussed yesterday. We had started with chapter number 8, that is body movements. So yesterday we talked about the movement, difference between movement and locomotion. Let us see what we did yesterday. Movement. Then we talked about the locomotion, how it is different from movement. Then we talked about joints. So what are joints? Just revising. Joints are the places where two parts of our body are joined together. The places where two parts of our body are joined together are known as joints. So we have joints at between the arm and the shoulder. We have joints between the head and the neck. We have joints between the two bones of the arm. Arm में भी हमारे यहाँ joints हैं. We can we can move the fingers of our hand. So we can move only because there are joints. If the joint is not there, if let us suppose the finger is a straight single bone, then in no case we will be able to bend it. So if we are bended it like this, or we are able to bend it like this, that is all because of the joints. So yesterday we talked about different types of joints. Just revising. First was ball and socket joint. Then we talked about pivotal joint. Then we talked about hinge joint. Then fourth was the fixed joint. Now let us see where these joints are present. Ball and socket joint is present between the arm and the shoulder. Between arm and the shoulder. Then pivotal joint is between the neck and the head. Then we have hinge joint. It is present between the two bones of the arm. And then we had started talking about the fixed joint. As I had told you, we were discussing that the fixed joints are present in the skull. हमारी जो खोपड़ी है, the brain box, it is made up of different type of small bones which are fused together. They are not movable joints. They are fixed. They are immovable joints or not movable joints. So if we see now, this is whole of this is known as skull. पूरा का पूरा हमारा ये skull ही कहलाता है, खोपड़ी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. But we see that I am able to move the lower portion of the skull, lower jaw. This is the lower portion, lower jaw. Pura ka pura, if we see the structure, it is a khopri or the skull. It is the skull. But we see in the skull also there are fixed joints. यहाँ पे ऊपर fixed joints है जो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. We cannot move them. ठीक है? But the lower jaw portion of the skull is movable. That is why we are able to open our mouths. Upper jaw and the bones of the brain box, they are joined with fixed joints. We cannot move them. But the lower portion, which is known as the lower jaw, it can be opened up because it's a movable joint. So this portion is not fixed. So fixed joint is present in the skull, but in the skull also only lower portion of jaw is not fixed. Lower portion, lower jaw does not have fixed joint. So this was all about the joints. Now moving further. We had learned about movements, locomotions and different types of movements, and then we talked about the different type of joints which is seen. Now if you suppose you want to make a doll, या आपको कुछ बनाना है, व्हाट डू यू डू? सपोज यू वांट टू मेक अ डॉल, हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग दैट? फर्स्ट यू विल प्रोवाइड अ फ्रेमवर्क, कुछ आप एक ढांचा सा बनाएंगे। डॉल आपको बनाना है तो आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल मेक सम फ्रेमवर्क। यहाँ पे ऐसे लेग्स का मान लीजिए आपको ऐसे लेग्स दिखानी है, इस तरीके से यू विल बी मेकिंग दिस फ्रेमवर्क। और उसके बाद फिर आपको देन आफ्टर दैट यू विल डू दी स्टफिंग अकॉर्डिंगली वॉट एवर स्ट्रक्चर यू आर मेकिंग। ठीक है, आप कुछ ऐसा सा बनाते हैं ना, अंदर एक फ्रेमवर्क देते हैं। अवर बॉडी ऑल्सो हैज फ्रेमवर्क, our body also has framework which is made up of bones. Now that framework which is made up of bones is known as skeleton. हिंदी में शायद आपने वर्ड कंकाल सुना हो, तो that is the skeleton. तो what is the skeleton? What is a skeleton? It is written in your books. It is clearly given in your books. The framework which is made up of bones which give our body a shape is known as skeleton. So skeleton is made up of, it is a framework which is made up of bones which give a shape to our body. That is the skeleton. So skeleton is the framework made up of bones which give a shape to our body. चलिए, is known as skeleton और skeleton, अगर हमने skeleton से स्टार्ट किया तो हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, skeleton is a framework made up of bones which give a shape to our body. If we do not have skeleton, our body will not be able to stand. Skeleton एक support देता है, एक support है जिसके ऊपर हमारे दूसरे organs उस support की help से लगे हुए हैं, and we are able to stand tall. हमारा एक structure है, एक shape है. If we remove those bones, then the body, the other body organs, they won't be able to stand on their own. They will just fall. We won't have a body structure. एक हमारे पास चलता फिरता कोई structure तैयार नहीं होगा, because we do not have a skeleton. So skeleton is a framework made up of bones which give our body a shape. Now if we see, if you touch different parts of our body, can we feel this skeleton? Can we feel it? मान लीजिए आप अपना यहाँ से आप देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे आप हाथ प्रेस करते हैं. If you press this area, if you press this, you feel some hard things. You see some hard things, legs, backbone, है ना, आपको कुछ हार्ड चीजें महसूस होती हैं. All these are known as bones. These hard structures which you can feel from outside, they are the bones. But since we cannot see our bones, we cannot see the number of bones, we cannot see our bones, so how can we know that there are some skeletal or there is a bone which is supporting our body framework? So we can now, with the advancement in technology, we can easily see and count the type. We can count the number of bones and the types of bones which are present inside our body through X-rays. So X-rays were invented by a physicist known as Roentgen. Roentgen was the first person who discovered X-rays. Accidentally he discovered X-rays, and through X-rays we can see the internal organization of our bones in the body. हमें पता चलता है कि हमारी बोन्स कैसे इंटरनली लगी हुई हैं. हाउ मेनी बोन्स आर देयर, व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द बोन. एक्सरे के थ्रू ही हमें ये पता चला है दैट वी हैव अ सिंगल बोन ऑन द अपर हाफ ऑफ द आर्म, एंड व्हेन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द लोअर हाफ ऑफ द आर्म, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ टू बोन्स. So through x-ray we can easily see the number of bones and the shape of different bones, the size of the bones, the shape of the bones. And you must have seen that if some of your friends or you get hurt, and if you are not able to, there is a lot of pain and not able to move your body parts, then you are taken to the doctor and doctor immediately says कि इस बच्चे का एक्सरे लेना पड़ेगा. क्यों लेना पड़ेगा? Because without x-ray we won't be able to know that which bone has been affected, whether the bone has been affected or some other part is affected. So if the bone is affected or if there is some breakage in the bone, it will show in the x-ray. So if accidents are there, immediately if the person is feeling pain in the bones or not able to move the bone, then x-rays are recommended so that we can see how to what extent the bone has been damaged, और if the bone is fine, bone आपकी ठीक है, तो शायद कहीं और internal कोई injury हुई है, तो फिर बाद में वो और चीज़ें देखी जाती हैं. But through X-ray we can see the shape, we can see the size, and we can even see the numbers of the bones. Now moving further, what type of bones or what does the skeletal have? Now if we see our palm, आप ऐसे ऐसे पाम देखिए, अपना रिस्ट देखिए. रिस्ट को हम ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मूवमेंट. आप ये देखिए, यहाँ पे आप काफी सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स महसूस कर सकते हैं, काफी सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स महसूस करते हैं. दिस इज द पाम एरिया, ठीक है, ये पाम एरिया, और ये रिस्ट है आपकी कलाई. दिस इज सेपरेट, दिस इज द पाम एरिया. अगर आप देखें तो यू कैन इजीली मूव योर फिंगर्स, यू कैन इजीली मूव योर रिस्ट. रिस्ट को घुमा भी सकते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, इवन फिंगर्स को भी हम कर सकते हैं. बट वी कैन नॉट मूव अवर सी बोन्स ऑफ दिस, वी कैन नॉट लाइक मूव दी बोन्स ऑफ अवर पाम. हमारे जो पाम में है हम उसको मूव नहीं कर सकते, वो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक फिक्स है. एंड इट इज, यू कैन फील दैट दिस एरिया हैज नंबर ऑफ बोन्स, दिस एरिया हैज नंबर ऑफ बोन्स. और द bones, these bones which are present in the palm, they are known as carpals. They are small bones and they are number of bones. So carpals, what are carpals? It is given in your books. Now the bones of the palm which are small and many in number are carpals. तो carpals को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, carpals, these are the bones, or carpals are the bones which are present in the palm. Carpal are the small bones, लिख लीजिए, carpal are the small bones, बहुत बड़ी नहीं है. They are the small bones which are present in the palm. Carpals are the small bones which are present in the palm. Now moving further, we will see different types of bones. Now if we move further, we will see, you just have to feel something. आपको फील करना है. आप यहाँ पे अपना चेस्ट पे थोड़ा सा फील कीजिए. You just touch these parts and press them. Even you will see some hard structures here also. यहाँ पे फिर आप पीछे अपना महसूस कीजिए, you will find hard structures. So the structure which is in front, it covers our chest and it is connected to the structure which is going in the back. There is a covered structure known as the rib cage. So the bones which are present in front of the chest, they move and get joined at the back. We can feel the backbone also. So these bones running from the front part or from the chest towards the back side of the body, they form a structure which is known as rib cage. Rib cage. So next is the rib cage. Cage मतलब पिंजरा, because it is forming a type of cage. जैसे कि यहाँ से आपका, it is starting from your chest. This is the this is the front side जो chest में है. It is moving to the back side बैक साइड की तरफ मूव कर रही है और बैक में जो हमारी बोन है वो उसके साथ ऐसे जुड़ रही है. तो दे फॉर्म अ केज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड दिस इज नोन एज द रिब केज. सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द रिब केज? आगे चेस्ट पे और पीछे बैक तक आपका जा रहा है. रिब केज का फंक्शन क्या है? रिब केज इट प्रोटेक्ट्स, it has some important structures, important organs like lungs, like heart. They are present in the rib cage, upper part of the body, and they are protected by these bones. And rib cage, these bones also help in maintaining our breathing, also exhaling and inhaling. So these rib cages, they are the bones which start from the front portion and move and join the backbone, and important organs like our lungs and our heart, it is protected by the rib cage. बाहर एक आउटर स्ट्रक्चर हो जाता है हार्ट और लंग्स के, जो कि बोनी स्ट्रक्चर है. तो हमारे अगर इफ वी मीट बाय एन एक्सीडेंट और समथिंग, तो आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स दे गेट प्रोटेक्शन बाय दिस स्केलेटन आउटर फ्रेमवर्क. आउटर फ्रेमवर्क which is from chest, starts from front and moves towards the back. So rib cage, we have talked about skeleton, carpals, rib cage. Now moving further. Now similarly, if we feel our back also, आप अपने दोस्त का किसी का बैक देख लीजिए, मारना नहीं है उसको, हल्का सा हाथ लगा के देखेंगे, you will feel that there is a structure, single structure which is like strong, hard, and you can feel that running from your neck to the lower portion. So that structure, that is the vertebral column, or it is also known as the backbone. It is also known as the backbone. Now if you see, you are able to move your back. आप ऐसे बैक कर सकते हैं ना, मूव कर सकते हैं. तो अगर बैकबोन बिल्कुल स्टिफ होता, सीधा होता, विदाउट जॉइंट होता, तो यू वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू बेंड. आप अपनी बैकबोन को बेंड नहीं हो सकते थे आपकी अगर आपका if it would have been a single straight single bone is not there. Your backbone is made up of small structures, and these small structures, they are known as vertebrae. So what are vertebrae? Vertebrae are small bones which are joined together to form a backbone. So vertebrae, small bones which are joined together to form a backbone. So vertebrae are small bones. अगर आप उनको ध्यान से देखें तो the structure is like this. इस तरीके से होते हैं ये vertebrae. Then we have vertebrae like this, and they are joined together. एक दूसरे में joined होते हैं इस तरीके से, and they form the backbone. They form the backbone. So what are vertebrae? Vertebrae are small bones which form the backbone of our skeleton. So now moving further, we have some bones like the shoulder bones. Shoulder bones में जब हमने बात करी थी ball and socket की, तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि shoulder bone में there is a cavity in the shoulder bone. Shoulder bone की आप में एक तरीके की वो bone की shape ऐसी होती है. This moves shoulder से आप गर्दन की तरफ आती है. Shoulder bone बोलते हैं, collar bone भी इसको बोलते हैं. There is a cavity. And in this cavity our arm bone comes and gets attached. Arm bones come and attach. So this cavity is the shoulder bones has cavity also. So different type of bones are there. Now we have bones on the lower body also. जैसा कि shoulder में है, ऐसे ही there is a joint between our lower body and our legs. अपनी लेग्स को भी पूरा आगे पीछे और पूरा राउंड भी घुमा सकते हैं ना. टांगों को घर में एक्सरसाइज करके देखना, टांग को पूरी ऐसे घुमा के देखना. तो दैट बोन, pelvic bone, that is known as the bone of the lower body is known as pelvic bone, and like shoulder bone it has a cavity, and in that cavity the bone of the legs are fixed. Bone of the legs, they are inserted, and दैट इज वाई वी कैन इजीली मूव अवर लेग्स ऑल्सो, हम अपनी लेग्स भी इस तरीके से मूव कर सकते हैं। सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द bones. Now one common one interesting fact: when a baby is born, it has more than 300 bones. When a baby is born, it has more than 300 bones, and as it develops, grow करता है बच्चा जैसे, तो धीरे धीरे the number of bones become less, ज्यादा नहीं होती हैं, कम होती हैं. Why is it so? In an adult, the total number of bones is 206. In an adult, the number of bones is 206. But when a baby is born, it has more than 300 bones. Then what happens after that? The bones, they start to fuse. The bones, they fuse, and then we get a stable bone structure, and that is why in babies we have more bones than in the adults. As the baby grows, the bones fuse and become one. The human, I am reading a column from your book on page number 70. The human skeleton is composed of around 305 bones at birth. More than 300 मैंने बोला था, तो 305 bones at birth. The number of bones in the skeleton changes with age. ठीक है, it decreases to 206 bones by adulthood after some bones have fused together. So some bones, initially there are more than 300 bones in a baby when it is born, but when it starts to grow और धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है adult होने तक, the number of bones get decreased. It becomes 206 because the bones, they fuse together. The bones, they fuse together. So this was all about the about bones, different type of skeleton, a different type of bones forming different structures inside of a body. Now as a homework, whatever, like, you will be drawing different types of skeleton. You can draw the bones of the hand, or you can draw the backbone, or you can draw the rib cage, or you can draw a skull also. So these 4 things are there in your book, so please make any one of it. Draw a nice and well labeled diagram as your homework and read the contents from the book. Thank you. इसके आगे we will continue with the next topics tomorrow. Thank you.